Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at solving inequalities with negative numbers or negative values and how we go about that. So the first way we can do this, we can do 12 minus 4x is less than or equal to 8. Now I can move this across to the other side by adding 4x to both sides. I'm left with 12 is less than or equal to 8 plus 4x. I get rid of that 8 by taking away 8 from both sides, and I'm left with 4 is less than or equal to 4x. Dividing both sides by 4, I will get 1 is less than or equal to x, or x is greater than or equal to 1. So by doing that, you can solve it. Another way to solve it is to multiply by a negative number. So if we look at b, we have 25 minus 5p is less than 15. Now ideally we'd like the term involving the pronumeral p to be positive. So what we can do is we can multiply both sides by negative 1. I'm left with negative 25 plus 5p, and then we have to switch the direction of the sign, is greater than negative 15. Now, to get rid of this term, I'm going to add 25 to both sides. So 5p is greater than 10. Now, all I have to do is divide both sides by 5, and I get p is greater than 2. Let's look at C. We have 18 minus 6t is greater than 9. Again, I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1. That just means switch the signs of every term. Alright, there we have it. Now I'm going to add 18 to both sides. That will get rid of this negative 18. I'll be left with 6t is less than 9. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 6. T is less than 9 over 6, which means t is less than 1.5. Alright, finally D, we have 30 minus 10w is greater than or equal to 20. Again, I'm going to multiply by negative 1. So negative 30 plus 10w is less than or equal to, because we have to swap the sign, minus 20. If I add 30 to both sides, I get 10w is less than or equal to 10, and that means w is less than or equal to 1. So you can solve these using the original method, it's totally fine, but just know that it's always an option to change the signs and swap everything around if it makes things easier. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.